In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload zip files to Dropbox. By the end, you'll be comfortable moving a zip archive into your Dropbox using the website or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. A quick note before we start, a zip file is just a compressed package of one or more files, which makes uploading and sharing them easier. The process is straightforward, and I'll point out a few tips to help everything go smoothly. Let's begin with the web method. First, log in to Dropbox.com in your browser. On the left panel, click the Folders tab so you can see your folder structure. Navigate into the exact folder where you want the zip file to live. Choosing the right spot now saves you from reorganizing later. Once you're inside that folder, look to the top right corner and click the blue Upload button, then choose Files. Your computer's file picker will open. Browse to your zip file, select it, and confirm to start the upload. You'll see a progress indicator while it's transferring. Keep the tab open and avoid putting your device to sleep until the upload finishes. When it's done, the zip file will appear in the folder list. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page. That's all there is to it on the web. Now, if you prefer using the desktop app, this can feel even more natural. Open File Explorer on your desktop and locate your zip file. In the left panel of File Explorer, find the Dropbox section. Click into the Dropbox folder where you want the zip to go, so you're targeting the right location. Then drag and drop the zip file from its current folder into that Dropbox folder. As soon as you drop it, the Dropbox app will begin syncing. You'll typically see a syncing icon first, and once everything is fully uploaded, it will change to a green check mark. That green check mark is your confirmation that the zip is safely stored in your Dropbox and available across your devices. If you're moving a large zip, give it a little time. A stable internet connection will help it finish faster. To recap, use the web method if you're working in a browser and want a clear click-by-click upload. Use the desktop app if you like the simplicity of dragging and dropping directly from your computer. Either way, pick the correct folder first, upload the zip, and wait for the upload to complete. The appearance of the file on the web or the green check mark in the desktop app tells you you're done. Thanks for watching.